Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make horenso no Goma-ae. It's spinach dressed with sesame sauce. Goma-ae literally translates with sesame. It's one of the most classic or traditional Japanese side. We make it with variety of vegetable, but the spinach Goma-ae is the most classic one. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this horenso no Goma-ae, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some spinach. It's about 400 grams. 3 tablespoons of ground sesame. 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and sugar. As you prepare some boiling water, let's cut the spinach. Cut the bottom off. And let's just cut it into 1 inch or so all the way to the leaves. Now the boiling water is ready, so let's cook the spinach. Stemmy part first. Then the leafy part. And cook for 10 to 20 seconds. You never want to overcook it. Okay, let's drain and release in cold water to stop cooking. Change the water several times to rinse off the acid. Let's make the sauce. I call it sauce, but it's more like a paste. Ground sesame, sugar, and soy sauce. Give it a good mix. And the sauce or the paste is ready. Put the spinach into the bowl of sauce as you squeeze it really well. So take some and squeeze. Give it a good toss. And it's done. Too easy almost. Serve in the bowl. And ほうれん草のごまあえ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's just spinach and some seasonings, but stupidly flavorful and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ほうれん草のごまあえ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Let's have plain rice here and キャベツのお味噌汁 here. These dishes are so healthy, so I think it's okay to have deep-fried かき揚げ for the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.